Ever heard of a galaxy with a heart brighter than all its stars combined? That's an active galactic nucleus, or AGN. At the center of some galaxies lies a supermassive black hole. This black hole is millions to billions of times the Sun's mass. As gas and dust fall into this colossal black hole, they form a blazing disk. This disk heats to millions of degrees, releasing immense energy. This energy isn't just light, but also radio waves, X-rays, and even gamma rays. Some AGNs even launch gigantic jets of plasma. These jets stretch thousands of light years across space. Depending on how we see them, they appear as different types. These include quasars, blazars, Seyfert galaxies, or radio galaxies. In short, AGNs are cosmic power plants, tiny cores that outshine entire galaxies. Black holes aren't just destroyers, they're engines of light. For more cosmic wonders, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.